we are now filming us instead of the opposite. Why are we doing this?
It's so fun.
No.
I want to go in direction.
No. The only reason that I'm sitting in front is that so you can see my reaction to the water splashes.
Everyone wants it.
I know. I don't want it. Oh no. Okay, so this one goes backwards also.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So the splash is only in the back.
Yeah.
Maybe forward to right on. Outside.
It's so nice that they do have the GoPro holder on the boat here, so we can do this. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Brace for impact. So the first drop, we're gonna get up here this lift hill, and then we're gonna turn and spin around. We're gonna do the first drop backwards. I am so not excited. I am so not excited. Oh.
Yeah, I don't feel good about this.
Woohoo! That's a nice drop though. Whew. Okay, that is okay.
Fine.
We're good this far. We're good this far.
Did I scream in your ear?
No, it's fine. You did not scream in my ears. But I got a text. That's a good thing with the watch. I got a text. Jona wanted to show me her dress. It's not the best time to show a dress now. It's a lot of water inside the boat. Returning again. I got another text with a picture of a dress, which you have to decide if it looks good or not. I think it looks amazing, by the way. So when you watch this video, you know. Oh yes, I said the water. The boat is so much water in it. To get very wet. No, not backwards again. Not backwards again. No, it's forwards.
Yes. Let's do it.
Okay, guys. Brace for impact. No. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Okay, we're good, we survived. Okay, then I like it. I think it's this one.
Let's do it again.
I think, no!